Hi, my name is Angela Brown. Many of you know me as the owner of Deserve Healthy Hair Care Products. I would love the opportunity to speak with you on a serious note. I prayed on this and I realized that I was competing with other brands, and that shouldn't have never happened. I was trying to follow their blueprint and I got lost. And now, through the glory of God, I have my own blueprint. I realize that hair care is so important. Treatments, consistency, and hairstylist coaching our customers. And the ones who are at home, the right products that truly work for you. And with all of that said, I know you're saying, I haven't been so blessed and lucky to find that. And I hear you, I can hear you. But what I'm saying to you is, I have the anointed blueprint. What I'm going to bring to you is consistency. And also what I'm going to bring to you is coaching on social media, where I'm actually going to give you tips, advice, and product knowledge that you deserve. I was worried about my purse more so than my purpose. And that's not good. Now, I see that God has me at the right place and at the right time, because there are so many people who are lost. I am literally in my hair loss salon. I have countless of people whom I've helped regrow their hair back with my blueprint. I know that God gave me that because my name right above me, Deserve, it's about people who deserve the best. Now, I feel personally we all deserve the best, but there are some people who just don't think they do. I know you do. But there are some people who've given up on hair care. They've made so many comments like, I don't care, I'll just throw a wig on it and, it doesn't even matter. I believe down deep, if you could get your hair back, but you knew exactly the right steps for your texture, you'd be all aboard. So that's what we're going to do. Hair loss is about shame, but also helping people with a better performance. So you might say, I have hair. What do I need you for? Okay, come a little closer. I'm going to help you understand why your hair is so dry and it breaks. I'm going to help you with your inflammation, your itching. I'm going to help you get that ponytail out of your head. And if you want to release that wig or the weave, I'm going to help you where if you want to wear it, you can. And if you want to go without it, you can too. So we're going to have a wonderful time. And we're going to love on each other. I'm going to tell you about faith in my relationship with God. Because I'm letting go the purse and I'm getting to the purpose. He's always taking care of me. Now I'm going to work for his kingdom. I am going to help people who are grieving, side effects from medication, who have a performance issue, who have an insecurity issue, who just need simple advice, or they just need me to hold their hand. We're going to have a great time, but I want you to know that you deserve it. So I'm here for you. And it took someone very special to tell me, Angela, you're not just a hair care line. You're more than that. You change lives. You wipe tears. You have people remove their wigs. She said, but also what hair care line consultates where the CEO answers the phone and talks to these people. I love the idea of helping people and working for the kingdom. So why not help you grow your hair and your faith too? 2 in 1, and restore your faith. Thank God that he's using me, because there are so many people who has needed this brand and needed someone to just care. I do. You don't believe it yet. The Holy Spirit has already told me. Many of you will watch it, but you won't believe it first. But he told me to keep talking, because eventually I'm gonna win you over. And you're gonna realize that these products work, and you're gonna realize that blueprint I have works, because aren't you tired of wearing that hot wig when you don't have to? Or settling for a hairstyle that you really just don't like? Or putting a lot of glue in your hair when you don't have to? Now, there are some people, they may have to. But there are some people, if you just knew what you knew, I could help you. This video is a little lengthy because I had something to say. So I hope you didn't click. But if you did click, can you share this with someone? Can you share this with someone who truly have prayed for a hair care line like Deserve that has the blueprint to reserve your hair? Now, I'm not salesy in this situation. I'm just in my purpose. And I want you to know that I care. And anybody that is in my life, I just try to love on you hard. And I try to give you everything I got. And I'm dramatic. And I love to laugh and I love life. But I want to help this industry. I'll walk into a salon and a salon professional, they need you as well. And I hate to see this industry not make it, because the only thing we've learned how to do to please our clients is weave or color their hair or cut their hair. But how about save their hair before they have to wear the weave for life? So let's start a new relationship together.